can. What? How many you need? Can. By when? Huh? Can. Don't worry, we got so much supplies. Okay, bye. Boss, I got some good news. This is the biggest order we have ever received. But they need it by the end of the month. I need 1,000 sets of jigsaw puzzles by the end of the month. Say you can do it, please. Wait. I need to check on the lead time with the vendors, and then the production capacity, and then hold up. I need to calculate the pre-calculation costings for this order. I mean, the price that we quoted for was from 5 years ago. I need to know what it costs today, then now. And then we need to check whether we got material to make all the production. And don't get me started on OT and labor costs. How much do I have to budget for that? Oh, and the production overheads, and the machines, and the subcon costings. Oh, these things don't fly down for free, girlfriend. And then the customer marah. Hey, you don't blame me, eh? The numbers just don't make sense. Tell me, how many hours of overtime do we need to successfully fulfill this order by the end of the month? 100 hours? 1,000 hours? More? I told you to fill up and organize all the paperwork. Look what you've gotten done. I don't have the answers. Don't look at me. Boss, how? I don't know. Hey, why you all look so worried? You've never heard of the Monitor ERP system? What is an ERP system? Well, it's a platform that connects all the different departments and machines to a single source of truth. Wow, the force is strong on this one. Take, for example, this jigsaw puzzle company. So let's say each of the departments holds one piece of the puzzle needed to complete an entire puzzle board. So, for example, if James doesn't tell Sherry or Daniel which or what piece he's holding, then Sherry is going to have problems with the budget and the costing, and then Daniel will have issues with the delivery and the timeline. So by communicating each piece of the puzzle with each other, you are then completing the puzzle board in a shorter time and more efficiently. As Bruce Lee says, be like water. Monitor ERP is a complete ERP system for the manufacturing industry. Monitor streamlines your core supply chain and processes through 6 key modules: manufacturing, purchase, sales, stock, time recording, and accounting, covering every activity that takes place in your manufacturing company. So, why an ERP system? With a fully integrated system like Monitor, you can now take full control of your supply chain, inventory, production, and planning. Monitor is a hole-in-one system, not a golf hole-in-one, hole-in-one system that your manufacturing company needs. All you need to do is tell the system what you need, and the system will automate for you. The system will also provide suggestions if you run into a problem to ensure you get what you want when you need it. Yes, and you don't need to worry anymore. With little or no need for customization, this will ensure it's cost-effective over time, easy to implement, and easy to support in one complete standard integrated system. You will have control over your entire business. Less hassle, no worries, just strictly business when you have the best ERP system for all your processes. Less hassle, no worries, strictly business. Why does that guy look so familiar? Oh, and he's so good looking. Huh? Like that you call handsome? Yo, you need glasses. What do you know?